Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of cryptocurrency, you'll definitely want to stick around for today's exciting update. Money Mouthface, we're talking about the possibility of Litecoin ETF being the next big thing in the US crypto market. Could Litecoin, one of the oldest and most stable cryptocurrencies, be the next to join the ranks of Bitcoin and Ethereum with its very own ETF? According to Bloomberg's senior ETF analyst, Eric Balchunas, it's looking more and more likely. So what's going on? Well, let's break it down. Canary Capital, the company behind the Litecoin ETF proposal, just filed an amended S-1 registration form with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, after initially submitting it in October 2024. Now, why is this important? Analysts believe that the amended filing could be a sign of the SEC's interest in the proposal. Why? Because it's possible that the SEC has provided feedback or comments on the application. And if that's the case, things are definitely moving forward. Here's the twist. There's still no 19B4 filing, which is the official application for rule changes that would initiate the ETF approval process. But analysts like Balchunas believe that Litecoin is likely to be the next cryptocurrency ETF approved in the US. However, there's another variable here: leadership changes at the SEC. Gary Gensler, the current SEC chair, is stepping down, and Paul Atkins, a former SEC commissioner who's been more supportive of crypto, has been nominated as his replacement. But there's still a waiting game on Senate confirmation. So the timeline for the approval of the Litecoin ETF may depend on who's in charge at the SEC, but all signs are pointing towards progress. Since the announcement, Litecoin's price has already surged by more than 18%, reaching $119.46, and analysts are predicting a possible breakout past $130, with a target price of $170. Rocket. The success of Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs, the interest in altcoin ETFs is growing rapidly. So a Litecoin ETF could open the floodgates for more institutional investments in crypto, pushing the entire space forward. Research from JP Morgan and Hashkey suggests that new Solana and XRP ETFs could attract $13.6 billion in new funds within the next year. So the potential for a Litecoin ETF is huge. But here's the thing, even though the amended S-1 filing shows progress, we're not at the finish line yet. The SEC's response and the possible 19B4 filing will determine how soon we can expect this to move forward. LTC is one of the most reliable blockchains, boasting 100% uptime since its inception, making it an attractive candidate for an ETF. But now, all eyes are on the next steps. Will the SEC approve the Litecoin ETF, or will we have to wait longer? With more institutional interest pouring into the space, Litecoin's ETF could be the next big catalyst. But, as always, we'll keep you updated with any new developments. Thanks for tuning in. What do you think? Will Litecoin be the next crypto ETF in the US? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto news and updates. See you next time.